Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to check balance in Emirates NBD salary card. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. So the first method that you can use is using the NBD mobile app. So simply open up your NBD mobile app and then log in using your username and smart pass. Then once logged in, simply head over to the account and your salary card balance will appear along with recent transactions. This gives you real-time updates. Next method that you can use is internet banking. Simply head over and open up your browser. Then on the search bar, simply type in Emirates NBD login. Then once you're inside there, select Emirates NBD internet banking option. And once you tap on it, you'll be sent to the login page of the Emirates NBD. Here, enter in your username, your password, then simply check this small box and then tap on login to remember your credentials for easier access. Once done, navigate to the accounts, then select card accounts. Now inside, select the salary card to view available balance and transaction history. The next method is ATM balance check. Simply head over to the Emirates NBD ATM and insert your salary card, then enter your PIN and then choose a balance inquiry to view your card balance instantly. You can also use phone banking as well by calling Emirates NBD customer service in the number 60054 0000 within UAE, and for outside UAE, dial +971 60054 0000 and follow the prompts to check your salary card balance via automated service or speak to the nation. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. If you like it, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.